You actually sound like dutchavelli, like the female version. I can't lie to you.
Wait! Please! You see that little button right there? Yeah, just turn it blue for me, please. All you gotta do is click on it. It's not that hard. And you'll really be helping him out. Thank you! Do it! Now! Guys, I've been cheeky again. For weeks and weeks, my brother's been begging me and begging me to go on a blind date.
Please, Imxrni, I want to be a simp.
So I said to him that your wish is granted, my young child. However, some wishes do come with consequences. And the consequences are going to be that he wasn't going to go on a date with any ordinary girl, but a lesbian. Not no ordinary lesbian, but a stud. And the manliest studs of all. A GM named ST.
What, you're GM or something?
It's just my initials still.
Maybe she isn't a GM, but I just wanted to add that for effect. Anyways, my brother didn't react too kindly to the fact when he saw her walk in. Watch the full video to see his reaction. Whoa! Hold on, steady your horses. Listen, I know you guys are thinking, oh, just get on with the video, but wait. Listen, guys, I just need to do quick promo, yeah? And also, I just want to apologize for not posting. I know it's been a month. It literally annoys me. It haunts me that I haven't posted in so long. But, guys, listen. I know you guys want me to be posting every single week, but at the end of the day, for me personally, it's quality over quantity. I want to be posting at least every 2 weeks, but knowing that I'm posting bangers. You guys already know, yeah, when I post videos, I'm dropping 110% effort into every video. I don't only posting like regularly and not putting in as much effort, do you know what I mean? So I hope you guys can understand that. Also, sorry, I know I'm rambling, but it'll be quick, yeah? This hoodie, yeah, absolutely dope. I know you guys have seen the photos on my Instagram. Make sure you follow me, yeah? Boom. ATA.UK. Make sure you get out their website link in the description, and also check out their Instagram. Also, guys, my skin and my hair, it's all thanks to Alysium Beauty. Use my code MARNI10 for discounts. We all know we love a bit of a bargain. So yeah, make sure you guys use that, because girl, you'll be glowing. Trust me. One more thing. Now, what else has helped my skin and my hair, me feel just completely, with all this energy? It's all thanks to Sea Moss, King Moss right here. This is absolutely amazing. 110% organic from the Caribbean Sea. It helps with eczema, asthma, skin problems, acne, thyroid problems, colds, flu, I don't know what, it's just an amazing supplement. So make sure you use my code IMXRNI10 for another discount. Also, guys, I know I'm rambling, but last promo, make sure you guys follow Brownlicious, subscribe to her YouTube channel. She posts every single week. Make sure you guys check her out and subscribe for me, please. Right now, I'm done. Enough rambling, just follow my socials, add them up, add up my stuff, add up my Instagram, and yeah, let's get straight onto the video. Cheeky girl, yeah. Also, guys, can we just take a few moments just to pray for those that are in Nigeria? Even though you may not be from Nigeria, they are still our brothers and sisters, and it's so sad to see what's going on over there. Yeah, there will be linked to petition in the description below also. Take it off now. Alright. What's it?
Alright, turn off.
Nah, I don't think she will be my type. Oh, just, you know when you get those hunches, you know when you just know, nah.
Slow down, babe. Slow down.
Right,
She's just in there.
In where? Oh shit. Where am I sitting? There. My name's ST.
Yo, what's your name?
ST.
ST. Well, like, what, your GM or something?
It's just my initials still.
Cool, where you from?
Southwest.
Southwest. Cool. How old are you?
19. Bad question, shit.
This is very techy, I cannot lie to you, but you know, it's very techy. I'm assuming you're what, like?
A stud?
Stud.
Yeah.
She's a stud, innit? So I only f straight girls, so I'm just gonna spud you real quick. You know, I kind of knew something like was gonna be a bit mad, innit? Because you know what, yeah, man cannot lie to you. Man can really not lie to you. What did she tell you first? You was on a date with a girl.
Just a blind date, fam, with a girl.
So you thought it was gonna be?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah, you're actually a prick, mom.
Okay. Firstly, man, you actually sound like dutchavelli, like the female version. I can't lie to you.
For real. Man.
Yeah, I sound like dutchavelli still, low-key, but. I knew you was gonna shank me, so. What's that? How long you been a stud for? When did you know?
Don't know, still. Secondary school.
What, see, that's when you knew you was like gay, innit?
Yeah.
How did you know?
I didn't date boys.
Oh, is it? Oh, fairs.
How did you know you were straight?
Huh?
How did you know you were straight?
Bruv, I was not. My life's Narni, innit? I can't say innit?
Say nothing.
Like Narnies. So what sort of like girls do you go for?
Black things.
Oh, is it? Oh,
What
fair.
about you?
I go for lighties. I like my black girls as well. I like my Hispanic and my Latina girls as well.
Fair enough.
Yeah. It's the munchinos. Sorry, man didn't get any in the food still, but not like that. Safe, bro.
No, I ate before this anyway.
Is it calm?
Back or breast?
Huh?
Back or breast?
Back, of course. What question is that? Man, nigga, more like that, bro. Like, see, that breast is calm, innit? But
There's only so much you can do with it.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. That is where it's at. Like, it's where it's at. Yeah, nah. I don't really discriminate, to be honest.
Nah, man's proper prick.
Sorry, I got to spit my thumb out still. What do you want to be when you're older?
Aye, yo. I want to be a videographer, editor, stuff like that. You feel me?
For like movies and stuff, innit?
Yeah.
That's right, you know. That's right.
Sorry for interrupting you. For real though. You can do more with that. Like, what can you do? No offense. Like, what do you do?
I don't know, it looks
See,
better,
see
innit?
the breast is like, it's one of them things there where big or small, like.
No,
it's,
you're a nigga. Like, I know your perspective.
Yeah.
Like,
Wait,
Oh, no anal things though. That's dead. That's
Huh?
dead. I don't know. You just look at. I don't know. Back looks nicer. You feel me?
for me,
breast is just.
if
It's
it's big,
dead,
no, you're right. If it's big or small, yeah, like it's calm. You get what I'm saying? But with bum, yeah, it needs to be a specific way. If it's
the
flat,
dancing.
if it's a flat bum, what are you doing, bro?
Trust.
Like you cannot do anything with it. That bum, I say the bum is the soul of a girl. You get what I'm saying?
Not that hot. Man, say nothing. But they might get.
Yum off this burger, but yeah, nah, so what?
I'm gonna leave you to eat.
Take the piss for, bro. Yeah, when was your last like relationship or whatever? Is it a sticky one?
I'm not involved, really.
Elaborate.
Anything
You know the ones when the camera's there, you can't say too much. No, the ones.
What's a relationship? I just catch a vibe. If they fall in love, they fall in love.
Oh, bro, like that.
Yo!
The burger as well. The burger had some good texture to it as well. The burger was wham. Man really had to get around that one still. Really had to get around that.
What have you eaten today?
Nothing, man. I'm hungry.
Shit, yo! I could tell, bro.
Obviously, I was hoping that it was going to be like a girl here, so it's quite flex saying that you're good with kids, so... I was hoping that...
There is a girl here.
Huh?
There
Yeah,
is
but
a girl.
you don't identify yourself as a girl, am I wrong? Am I wrong or am I right?
Yeah, I'm a girl, but...
But you're a girl, but like, you're...
I'm a stud.
Yeah, man, I get it, I get it. That's, I've always been quite confused. I never really met like a stud. Like,
No,
live
I'm
in
not
the
trying
flesh, innit?
to that's that. I mean, that's not that. Like, it's not me.
What,
But a dick turned
what,
into
a man to a female, the dick goes.
To where?
But then
They fold it in a lie.
If it says a dick,
If it's the other way around, then they still have it, then...
Would you trans?
No? That's gay.
you sound educated though.
Nah, man, just watch it from like botch, innit? Something on
Nah.
You look actually like a boy, that's the thing.
I know I get that a lot.
I actually like a boy. Like,
I speak when I go to the female toilets. When I go to the female toilets, they all think I'm gonna them, fam.
Is it?
Yeah, it's actually tight. Moms, I walk in
Be
there, like,
serious?
they look as if I'm not meant to be in here. Like, it's peak.
Is that what you want though?
No, the f***.
No, but
I'm
that's-
going to What do you mean?
Yeah, a little bit of a controversial thing though, but obviously like, because you're a stud, yeah, so obviously you're a girl by you identify as a girl, but technically speaking, you yourself identify as a boy, innit? So theoretically speaking, yeah, they're obviously gonna be like, rah, like, that's a boy, innit? But that's the effect that you want. But that's, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's a techie one for you.
I want to be a boy though.
Can I get some napkins, please? The worst thing is I know I'm gonna have like a few people watching this. I'm not say too much and I'm not talk too much. So low key, I'm happy that it's nothing serious. Because if it was a lame one who was sitting here, like no,
It's true.
then it would have been a bit of a sticky one still.
I actually do as well. Luki, you kind of blessed me, but at the same time.
Burgers, yam, bro. I can't lie, it's massive. I've got to lift up the sleeves and proper yam this. I'm sorry, I'm gonna literally eat this for a couple of minutes still.
Ooh. Yo, it's the diss for me, bro. What the fuck?
You know the ones, because obviously I've got a white trackie on, so I've got to like make sure nothing gets on the trackie, innit?
Do your thing, fam.
Make sure you edit this out though.
No, keep it in. Just keep it in.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
Alright, so what's the girl saying in your ear though? Not for me.
Well, my age or like...
Your age.
Okay.
No, not like
Like,
that.
yeah,
Not like that.
things,
But it's
no.
just like,
Let me put it this way.
in my school, fam, getting girls was long.
So quality right now, yeah, I can't lie, like... girls are obviously nice, innit? Because I go to quality, there's a lot of things, I can't lie. There's a lot in high numbers.
What college you go to? What college?
Alright. Make sure you beat that out though, man.
You went to the same college as me.
You
There's some baddies. Oh
same
my
was your I say swear, bro. So you're local. Right, yeah, man. Go obviously, so you know there's some lame ones there, innit? And obviously, like, I haven't really moved to any, but well, man can't really say too much, but yeah, I haven't really moved to any. Let's just say that. What is it? In year 11, the girls weren't really for me, but they. Shout out to my female friends. You're all beautiful, yeah. But not for me really. Can't lie. What school did you go to?
St. Cecilia's. I don't know if you know that.
Whereabouts that?
It's in like, I don't know if you know Southfields.
Southfields?
Yeah.
The ghetto?
Yeah, that's
Wow. Girls are probably rubbing mandem down there, bruv.
No, there was a proper beating in my ear though. Right?
Is it? To be fair though, my area there's a lot of let me say this in a nice way, a lot of girls who with high body counts. Around this sort of sort of area, you get girls who they're known for their body count.
Not me. I just have to say.
You're a calm guy still.
Yeah, you're calm as well, man. But you check that money. Money is gonna check.
Yeah,
that
you, fam. Nah.
I'd rate it like a good. Well, I wouldn't call it. I'm not gonna call it a date for one, but it was like a little meet up. I'll call it like I'll give it like a good 7.5 because it was calm and it was blessed.
I would rate the. It wasn't a date. It wasn't a date. I would rate the link up like a 7 out of 10. You know, I bust banks with him. He was munching, and I was chilling. No problem. But it's not a girl, so that's it.
Nah, I wouldn't go on a date with her again. Cause she goes for girls. I'm a boy, you get me, and I go for like straight girls in there. So self-explanatory to be honest, but you know.
No, I wouldn't go on a date with him again still. I mean, I'd go on a link up with him, not a date. Maybe.
Bloopers.
Their voice was deep. That sentence, her voice.
Wait, you heard her on the phone?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. She
Oh, when the actual girl?
The actual girl FaceTimed me.
She was like, yo, man, yo, where should I meet you? I'm not even joking, bro. I thought it was a boy. I'm not even joking. I thought it was a boy. Definitely snitch, man. I just already know that.
Huh?
I have no faith in whatsoever.
Would you like with a dildo? Does that do anything for you?
What would you mean? Like,
Would you?
Don't act silly.
no, I thought he meant like I get it.
Oh.
No, so you wouldn't do that
No, but like I
with a strap on. Would you?
What is that? DNS hours?
Yeah, what do you get?
it's for the girl, innit?
No, but see,
It still gives pleasure though.
This is what my sense is behind it, yeah. You're about me as well. So in like a nice way possible, see if like you're lesbian, yeah, and you go, isn't that
No, because that's like saying, oh, what pleasure do you get from giving pleasure to your girl? Like,
if you're lesbian and you're taking dick with your mummy or whatever, blah blah blah, and it's a fake. Why is it a real one, bro?
Oh,
No,
because
he's
no,
not
it's
a boy,
penetration.
Yeah.
It's penetration. It's not the fact that it's a dick.
So why?
No, like,
No, because it's not. Fam, a d is real. A d is completely different to a strap. It's a toy.
It's not about how it feels. I think it's the person.
Yeah, and it's a person it's from. It's not about the feeling. I'm calling you daddy, daddy. I'm calling you daddy, daddy. I'm calling you daddy. Oh, oh, oh. I'm calling you daddy, daddy.